So, over the summer, I put together a raised garden bed and I made a hoop house for it. And if y'all are from the Pennsylvania area, we just got through Christmas and it got real cold and real windy for the past couple of days. And what you can see, some of my ties holding the hoop down came up and they were just stapled in place. So the wind just ripped them right out. Just got done watering this stuff. Got some asparagus growing, garlic, and one onion that honestly I don't expect it to make it through the winter because we got a lot colder temperatures coming. Not much. There's another tie that came down. I think what I ought to do is I think I'm gonna have to probably put some eyelets in to tie them down instead of just stapling them to the boards, because I mean this thing's like a kite. It doesn't hold in the wind. But other than that, fixing it 2 or 3 times a night. Seems like she's doing pretty good. There's a piece there. Piece there, it came loose. Surprised it didn't lift up from that. That's surprising there. It mainly lifted up off the back away from the door. I mean, I was a little concerned with the asparagus. It got planted late. That's why I have it in here with the hoop and the greenhouse plastic up. Look at that. She seems all right. Anyhow, let me get out of here. So I've been meaning to get this stuff all grown and whatnot. I'm just in a little neighborhood, live at home. Trying in the next couple of years to buy some land. I kind of want to start up just not really going in commercial farming, just homestead if I'm lucky, just a little farmstead. Get enough going for me and my family, friends. I think this is the first video I put on this channel. I'm Dustin Landis. I'm trying to live the homesteader's dream, I guess. So I'm kind of just putting this channel together just to keep track of progress and just gotta learn from my mistakes. So always wanted to get into farming. You know, my grandfather growing up, him and his family bought land, built farms, and sold off. That's what they did to get by. from my grandparents, I've learned a lot, and I really want to incorporate that into my daily living and, you know, be able to provide a better future for my children. And the grocery prices getting out of hand, they've only ever gone up. People say, oh, they'll go up, they go back down. They don't. They only go up. And it's getting harder to get by. I mean, I'm almost 30 years old and living at home because well, shit's expensive. So, anyway, that's all I got for this video. Anyone cares to watch it, it's probably gotta be a pretty regular thing for a while. Just cheap phone footage. Until, you know, once I see progress with the YouTubes and whatnot, maybe I'll get better equipment, do better videos and whatnot. So it's probably gonna be on video for a while. I'll probably be making more videos come spring once it warms up and I can start growing more. Probably February, I'll have some videos on growing tomatoes and peppers indoors, starting them from seed. And yeah, I guess I'll see you whenever the next video is. Later.